Hey everyone! If you're watching this, you probably know that TikTok has recently been banned in the US due to security concerns and government regulations. This means that users in the US can no longer access TikTok directly. But don't worry, I've got a simple and effective method to bypass this ban and continue using TikTok without any issues. In this video, I will show you how to access TikTok using a VPN so you can keep watching and posting content just like before. Let's get started. Since TikTok is blocked in the US, we need to change our location virtually. To do that, we will use a VPN. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for a reliable VPN. I recommend NordVPN because it's one of the best in terms of speed, security, and reliability. Download and install the app on your phone. Once the VPN is installed, open the app and sign up if needed. Now, choose a server from a country where TikTok is still available, like Canada, the UK, Australia, or Germany. Connect to the selected server, and in just a few seconds, your internet connection will appear as if it's coming from that country instead of the US. Now that your VPN is active, simply launch TikTok like you normally would. You should be able to browse, watch videos, and even upload content without any restrictions. If you experience any issues, try switching to a different VPN server or restarting the TikTok app. And that's it, a quick and easy way to use TikTok even after the ban. This method works on both Android and iOS devices, and as long as you have a good VPN, you can continue using TikTok without any trouble. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.